Hi, welcome to My Court Coach. I'm Jaylyn and I'm going to be your instructor as we navigate through the form DV-175, cover sheet for confidential information. So if you're somebody who's filling out this form, there are instructions as to when to use it. So there's a DV-165 that has already been issued by the court, and you want to file a document or form that includes confidential information. So how would you use this cover sheet? You need to make 2 copies of the documents that you do want to file and complete this form and place this form on top of each of the copies that you want to file and then file them with the court. The clerk has to review and approve the redacted version of the documents attached to this cover sheet before actually filing it. And the clerk doesn't do it, the court must do it. So the judge takes it in their chambers and reviews and approves the redacted version. And if it is approved, then the court will file the redacted version in a public file and then file the unredacted version and this cover sheet in a confidential file. So you would need to complete your name and the other party to this case. And then you would also need to complete whether this DV-165 order was made in this case, another case, and if it was another case, then you would include the case number in the county in which it was filed, and then the minor parties' names that were protected by the confidentiality order. And again, you would go to attachment 2 and type in here DV-165, attachment 2, and the name of the minor children. And then you have attached 2 copies of the following documents. So it can be any form, so the DV-100, the DV-109, DV-105, any form that you are going to go ahead and file in this case, you would go ahead and write in what the form number is. If there's any other forms or documents that you're submitting, like an income and expense declaration, I'm not entirely sure what would be redacted on there if it relates to the minor child, perhaps their name if that's part of the confidentiality, or any attachments that you've included as part of your response to a restraining order, that would be appropriate as well to go ahead and attach this notice cover sheet for confidential information. So you would need to date it and sign it and print your name and make sure that you make 2 copies for the court. All right, well, we hope you found this helpful. Best of luck.